Just think, when you first did the course, when you first did the Kriya, what did you do? All you did was you went and you did breathing, right? You did breathing for half an hour, you came out, and suddenly the grass was greener, the sky was bluer, sugar was sweeter. How many of you had that experience? So do you call that a baby step? Just by half an hour of breathing, suddenly so much shift happens in you. You call that a baby step? Look at the difference that has happened from the first time when you did the basic course to now. Just look back and see how much has changed. You have changed so much, isn't it? You think that is baby steps? If you ask me, my personal opinion, what you gain just in the basic course, forget what you've done afterwards, advanced courses and blessings course, all the other courses, DSNs and intensives and all that. Just the basic course, what you get just there, that is more than what, by any traditional method, say if you had spent 20 years in a cave somewhere meditating, you get more than that. Once I was teaching an advanced course, it was a small private advanced course, so it was in someone's home. And at that time, there was a saint, who came from another state, and he has his own ashram, he has his own following. And he was there, and he was quite intrigued because we were teaching, the course over there. And he says, "Oh, Art of Living, मैंने बहुत सुना है. मैं भी आके देखना चाहता हूँ. I want to see, what it is that you all do." Now, how do you tell a saint that you have to do the basic course before you come to the advanced course, right? So I said, no, one of us will come and, give you an experience. You don't have to come join the course. So one of our teachers went and had him do the Kriya. He did just one Kriya. His face changed. And then when he met me later in the afternoon, he says, "This knowledge belongs to the saints. And your guru is just distributing it like peanuts." In Hindi he said, "ये तो संतों का ज्ञान है, ऐसे ही सिंचना जैसे बांट रहे हैं आपके गुरु ये ज्ञान." Just the Kriya. He had not done anything else. And he was a saint. And then when he came back to Bombay, he sent a message, "Tell her I'm still doing the Kriya." Once someone asked, Guruji, I like the change that's happening to me. Put me on an express train. He says, "Impossible. You're already on a super express train." So that's as far as taking steps goes. Baby steps, it's not baby steps. Other than that, your concern is that how do I evaluate my growth, right? You want to know that how have I progressed, not progressed? You don't need to know that. You have a guru for that. There is no way to really know. The only measure that you and I can really see is when we look back and we see the difference that we feel between day one and now. That is the only thing that we can see. But how far we are progressing, how much we are progressing, what is happening, you have a guru for that. He knows what is happening. Let him do it. I remember that when I first came to the Art of Living, when I first met him, the earlier, must be the first, second year of having met him. At that time, Guruji said, he says, "You remain seated in the cart. I'm pulling the cart. तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करना है, तुम सिर्फ बैठे रहो, मैं गाड़ी खींच रहा हूं, तुम सिर्फ उतरना नहीं." So this idea that we have in our heads that, if I'm busy at work, if I'm in the world, if I'm married, if I'm doing other things, you just have to make sure that you continue with your practices, keep in touch with the knowledge, do whatever you can every day to remain connected from your side. Otherwise, it's all happening. No matter where you are, it's all happening. Once, when I first met Gurudev, I said, first time I met him, I said, I don't want to go back. If I go back, I'll lose the feeling that, I didn't know so much joy, so much happiness was even possible in the world. I didn't know I could feel that kind of happiness. So I said, I don't want to go back. If I go back, I will lose the feeling. And he says, look, if you never ever see me again, if you never meet me again, whatever you need whenever will come to you. And he did not mean things, right? Like the feeling, the space, the knowledge. Wherever we are, if from your side you feel connected to the Master, no matter what you are doing, no matter how engaged you are in the world, if you're connected to the Master, it will all just come to you. It will keep flowing. Yeah, so don't be insecure about that.